Here I would also like to share with you that this institution has seen a journey of testament of seamless blending of age-old wisdom of yoga with the modern science. It is a blending of modern science with yoga, and it is the shaping of our present and the future generations. When I say so, I vividly remember the journey that S-VYASA has undertaken for the last 4-5 decades. It was in 1986 that it was established, and it has become very socially relevant. Today I am happy to share that under the able guidance of Nagendraji, it has got an affiliation centers across 30 countries where S-VYASA is giving and imparting education and bringing modern science along with the age-old traditional science. The invaluable contribution today, we cannot forget of H. Sheshadriji, because he was the guiding force. H. Sheshadriji, who infused enthusiasm and gave the wisdom to Nagendraji that you should do something for the society and work for the ancient wisdom which our people had gathered. I cannot forget Lakshmi Ammaji, who was instrumental in building the institution. And of course, we cannot forget Nagaratna ji, Dr. Nagaratna ji, Mohan ji, Subhadra ji, for their unwavering support to Guruji, Shri H.R. Nagendra ji, in realizing this vision. Here I would also like to say that the vision which H. Nagendra ji is talking about and he is propagating, our visionary Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has also brought basic policy change in the healthcare to see to it that the health system is holistic and comprehensive. And that is, I would like to say, here the former AYUSH Minister, our Shripad Nayak is there. My colleague, when I was the Health Minister, he was the AYUSH Minister. We worked together and we have done a lot to integrate AYUSH system for mainstreaming it with modern healthcare, modern medicine. The policy decision at that point of time was taken that the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Modi, now we have got 22 All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and all India Institute of Medical Sciences are having an AYUSH block, an Ayurveda center in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Center for Integrated Medicine. What we mean by this is that co-sharing and co-reference. An Ayurvedic doctor is going to refer for modern science. The same way a modern science doctor is going to refer for Ayurveda treatment. This co-sharing is going on and co-reference are going on. I'd also like to share with you that the research in AYUSH systems has been strengthened, and there has been establishment of the Center of Excellence in collaboration with these Center of Excellence are not in vacuum. It is not only under the direction and jurisdiction of All India of Medical Sciences. These Center of Excellence of Ayurveda are working in collaboration with Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, and Indian Council for Medical Research. So AYUSH is not only working on traditional medicine, now AYUSH is working along with the documentation and with the research papers in the modern journals to see to it that it gets the credibility and it is accepted by the world fraternity in the healthcare system. I would also like to share with you that Ministry of AYUSH has established collaborations with 103 countries. Now we are collaborating with 103 countries. And you will be also happy to note that the WHO, World Health Organization, has started a global traditional medicine center being established in Jamnagar, Gujarat, which will be the world center of traditional medicine. And it is being recognized by none other by World Health Organization, WHO. That also we have to understand. Here, when we are talking of School of Advanced Studies, I would also like to share that it's a pleasure occasion for me to see that a living reality is being happened when 600 bedded of Arogya Dham has come up. When I talk about the Arogya Dham, it is an integration of medical approach, powerful integration of traditional medicine along with modern medical sciences. The strength of and the services of yoga and naturopathy has been included, and our Honorable Prime Minister has virtually inaugurated the Central Research Institute of Yoga and Naturopathy at Jhajjar, Haryana. Now, this institute is a very important turning point as far as bringing yoga, naturopathy into the mainstream. The same way the National Institute of Naturopathy in Pune and Maharashtra is also a very important step taken in that direction. The CRIYN, which is being created at Nagamangala, Karnataka, and 100-bedded CRIYN in Raipur and Khordha in Orissa, that we have to understand. Friends, there are also proposals that we'll start such CRIYNs in Assam, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. The Inauguration, the dedicated research center, is having an impressive 1,000 plus research papers, which has been started by S-VYASA. I would like to congratulate Guruji for doing so, because, and these 1,000, the research papers have been acclaimed by world journals, and they have been published in world topmost journals, and worldwide it has been circulated. That we have to understand. Friends, when we talk about the School of Advanced Studies, I would like to share with you that we have started, we are going with the new health policy. And when I talk about new health policy, it is not only curative. The much stress has been given to preventive, promotion, then curative, and then geriatric and palliative healthcare and rehabilitative healthcare. So it is a comprehensive healthcare which has come up. And comprehensive healthcare, when we talk about preventive healthcare and when we talk about promotive healthcare, it cannot be done without bringing yoga and naturopathy into the mainstream. And so when you have started this S-VYASA advanced studies, it is a very welcome step, because here I would like to share with students, it is not only the education which you get as content-wise. If you do not have a healthy body, if you do not have a healthy mind, if you do not have the healthy recovery of your body, and if you are only able to understand the physics, or you are able to understand only the material things in world, and if you are not able to understand what is happening inside your body, I think you are living a half life. Your complete life will be only possible if you live outside world also and within yourself also, and understand your body and your system. That is very important. And if you do so, yoga is a very important instrument for that. And so I would like to share with you that this School of Advanced Studies, in which yoga has been introduced, in which naturopathy has been introduced, this is a very welcome step. And science has proved, which Guruji was talking about, science has proved that even in sports, even in education, even in your personal life, even in your performance, yoga plays a very important role in giving better results to the targets, to the goals. So It is a very welcome step, and I feel privileged to be part and parcel of this program, where I got the opportunity to participate in the inauguration of the advanced studies. I wish the students my best wishes. Go forward, utilize the services of School of Advanced Studies, learn your content as far as if you're studying business administration, if you are studying management, if you are studying law, if you are studying other disciplines, most welcome, but do it along with yoga and naturopathy and make your life better. That is what I can say. Thank you very much for giving me a patient hearing.